What does a Baltimore Oriole sound like? Have you ever wondered what the Baltimore Oriole sounds like? These beautiful songbirds have a variety of vocalizations that make them quite unique. The male Baltimore Oriole is particularly known for its rich, whistling song. This song is often described as a series of clear, vibrant notes that can really catch your attention. When you listen closely, you will notice that their songs consist of short phrases. Each bird has its own slight variations, making every Oriole's song a little different. One thing that stands out is the pitch of the notes, which often descends sharply. This creates a melodic sound that is both pleasant and easy to recognize. But the Baltimore Oriole does not just sing. They also produce a range of calls that can help you identify them. One common call sounds like a low, nasal veer. You might also hear high-pitched notes that resemble tuli or clique. These calls serve different purposes, such as communicating with other birds or warning them of potential threats. Another interesting vocalization is the chatter call. This is a series of repetitive notes that can vary in length. Sometimes it consists of just a few repetitions, while at other times, it may go on 4 dozens of repetitions. This chatter is often used during aggressive interactions with other birds. If you are out birdwatching, recognizing these sounds can be incredibly helpful. Baltimore Orioles often perch high in trees, making them a bit tricky to spot. By listening for their distinctive songs and calls, you can locate them without relying solely on your eyes. Familiarizing yourself with the vocalizations of the Baltimore Oriole can truly enhance your birdwatching experience. The next time you hear that beautiful whistling or the unique calls, you will know exactly what you are listening to. So, keep your ears open and enjoy the delightful sounds of the Baltimore Oriole in your backyard or local park.